to welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new sets of 80 pieces of matrix and SAE standard bearing steel threading tool and tap and die set. So I got this out of eBay for $35.46 free shipping plus tax, so $38.56 total. So this was the lowest that I found, so somehow the seller increased their price now. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. Come with a nice plastic carry case to organize all the tools. Wow, pretty nice. By the way, I never used this before, but it's a nice set to have in case your thread got ruined. You could rethread this and do some repair. So I figure you probably put this in here, and there's a glue right there. You lock into that position. And then you turn it. So this is you can screw it unscrewable. It's just M25 or 1 inch. Alright, here's the glue right here. So I loosen this up. I insert those bit in there. Make sure you lock it in position. And then turn it. Pretty cool. or you can use this tool. Then turn it. So yeah, overall I'm pretty satisfied. Plus this brand tool is pretty good. So yeah, basically it's the same, different metric system. So North America, Europe, Japan, or different world use a different standard. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.